back, everyone. Here to show us how to transform an ordinary vase into an adorable reindeer decoration is Maria. And I gotta say, Maria, people backstage here have been kind of jockeying to figure out which one of these they can take home.
They're calling dibs.
These are very popular.
They're really fun and they're so sweet. This was just something I had in my head that I just had to, make into a beautiful decoration because I have vases everywhere. So I'm trying to think of how I can repurpose them, and I'm trying to think of really fun decorations. And this could be something, these beautiful reindeer DIY vases could be anywhere in your house. You could do a centerpiece. You could do a decoration you could give these as teacher gifts at your desk, at the office.
There's
so
fun.
many things you can do with them, and they're fun.
Absolutely. And you got two different versions, I see.
I do.
Yep.
So you can see I have this brown one here, a little metallic in there, and this one is Forever a Reindeer. Yes. And so I have this one and this other one here that if you don't want to have it be a Forever Reindeer, something that you can use the vase again, I have the white guy over there.
You can kind of deconstruct that and then use a clear vase again. Okay, great. So what materials do we need? Obviously, we need the vases.
Yes, so we have our vases and in different sizes, so we'll talk more about that. We have spray paint, a couple different kinds of spray paint. We'll talk more about that as well. And I have glue dots, the little wool balls, foam sheets, and some scissors, some twine, some fake snow, things like that, and our little flowers.
Well, let's get started. We're going to make the white one first?
We're going to do the white one first.
Okay.
So, Cam, if you want to grab the larger vase.
You got it.
And the small vase actually goes into that.
All right.
So this is the one that we could reuse after Christmas if we wanted to.
Okay.
So what we do, actually, this is fake snow. You get this at the craft supply store. You can order it online, too. And what you do is you use this. I did this cone because it kind of helps make the process a little bit easier, not as messy. And it's okay if it does get messy, but you kind of go around like that. And
the purpose of that inner vase also, I mean, obviously it's going to hold the flowers, but it also
here, I'll let you keep going.
Then you don't need quite as much of the snow.
Exactly,
right?
It's that, but it's also you could use real flowers with this one if you wanted to.
Oh, so you put some water in there too.
Yeah, you actually could do that. I have a bunch of fake flowers around in this time of year, so this gives you the opportunity to do both. And Cam, as you do that, I'm going to finish this guy out. So what I have over here, the next step is really to attach the antlers, and you can see I just used some tape to attach them on there because this is what I'm going to reuse again. And this is just some twine. You did a wonderful job. You just keep going until it's filled up. And you're extremely talented. And so all I'm doing is adding some twine onto here.
Got it.
To give it that sort of finished look.
And you're kind of covering up any of the secrets that you've got there.
Exactly. And I'm glue gunning, but I'm gluing the twine to the twine, not to the actual vase. But it would peel off eventually if you did do that.
I see.
I'm going to cut off this excess.
Again, coming back to the fact that this is the one that you want to be able to potentially use in the future.
Exactly. Okay, so that's how you do that one.
All right, now we got the little face, the little details. I know we got one ear.
Yes.
That you've already
moved our glue gun. So here, this is what you want to do for the ear.
Okay.
The ear, I will show you. So the ears on these all kind of match whatever the color is. So I have this white sparkly foam sheet that you can see right there. But I want to show you how to get the ear made. So what you do is take this. This is foam sheet.
Okay.
You take your scissors and you cut down the center. And this is what you do here. You use some glue and you press it like that, and that will hold its shape to this. So exactly, so you can see, and I rounded out the bottom a little bit more so it looked like a little ear.
Easy enough.
Exactly.
You're right. It looks a lot more like an ear.
And I'm going to add some glue onto here. If you can glue this on
I will.
Cam. So you get the antlers. You put it on just like that. If you can hold that for me. And that's how you get that done.
Okay.
And the rest is the foam sheets for the face. So you could really get creative with this. I thought it'd be fun to do some lashes, like, the eyes closed type of thing. You could make it silly. You could do anything you want. But they're really just the foam sheets, the pre-glittered foam sheets.
And again, you're using the little...
I'm using glue dots.
The glue dots, so that way they can just pop right off if you wanted to.
They can pop right off, and it's actually just super... You could use hot glue, but the problem is you have to really commit. These guys you can actually take off and move them around.
Yeah, like if
good to go with that.
And this is the eyebrow like way off or something.
And you could do like I said any kind of face you want with these foam sheets. And here's our nose.
And there's the nose and the finishing touch. I'm going to put the flowers in.
Oh, I got crooked eyes.
Yeah, but that's there's the glue dots. You can adjust that.
This is a silly one.
That's fine with me.
There we go.
That's how I roll anyway.
Okay, there we go.
Sillier the better for this guy. Okay, let's make the brown one now.
Okay.
Now, obviously, this once you go this direction, it's going to be a reindeer.
Commitment.
Yes,
yeah, it's commitment. So this is a reindeer. So you can see I have some different colors here. I did the different color browns because I love the options when it comes to spray paint of making them into the different colors that you want. So you can see this one is a flat, and this one I added a metallic to kind of have dimension. So what I'm doing is I'm adding in just some styrofoam because I'm putting my antlers in. So what this does is it holds them in.
You got
like
the antlers in there. Let me just ask you really quickly. You can use any kind of spray paint for this? I just, figure with the glass it might be a little tricky.
Yes. So yes, you can. The answer is yes.
Okay.
But you have options when it comes to spray paint. So you have an oil-based spray paint or you have an acrylic spray paint. And the acrylic spray paint is going to be probably a little bit more user-friendly. It's more on the thick side. So it's something you can use a little bit closer. It doesn't run as much. It's a little bit easier. And it's also it's water-based. The other, like regular spray paint, is oil-based, so you can't really use them together because oil and water don't mix.
Got it. Okay.
But so for instance, if you did it, you would do a little bit closer of sprays for the acrylic, but the
regular you got to be misting almost from outside, right?
And kind of build something for it to hold on to. Otherwise, it'll run.
That's a good tip.
Yeah.
That's a good tip for people to know for sure.
And so I'm just adding my flowers in because I had the styrofoam at the bottom, and I'm doing the same process as the other one. I'm adding in my ears and my eyes and my
And you just kind of glue them on there, and it becomes absolutely adorable. And everybody here in the house is
fighting over them
right now. Thank you, Maria. These are fantastic. Full instructions, of course, go to our website. You know it, hallmarkchannel.com. And coming up next, award-winning chef Susan Feniger is in our kitchen.
Hey, I'm excited to show you our Paha cookies from Border Grill. They're perfect for Christmas, Hanukkah, solstice. The perfect easy cookie.